In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Moli to Shopify. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify store. Then log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, settings, and apps. If you already know where the login page is, go ahead and sign in now. Once you are in, you should see the Shopify admin home screen with menus along the left side. Now that you are logged in, look at the left sidebar menu. In this menu, find and click the section labeled Apps. This is where Shopify organizes everything related to installed applications, plus where you can browse and add new tools for your store. After you click Apps, the page should refresh and show you the Apps area, often with options to explore new apps or manage existing ones. Next, inside the Apps area, you will want to search for the app you are adding. Locate the search or browsing field, then type the name Moli. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, since the store search results depend on the spelling. Once you have typed Moli, select the result for Moli from the list. This step matters because it ensures you are installing the correct application, not something similar with a related name. After you have found the correct Moli listing, click into it so you can view the app details. You should now be on the app page, where Shopify shows information about what the app does, along with installation options. Take a quick moment to confirm you are on the right page. This is also where you can review the app name and other basic details before moving forward. Now it is time to begin the installation. On the Moli app page, click Install. This is the button that starts the process of adding the app to your Shopify store. Clicking Install does not finish the job by itself, but it moves you into the next screen where Shopify checks the permissions the app requires. Once you click Install, Shopify will take you to a permissions screen. On this screen, you will see what kinds of access the app is requesting. This might include permissions related to how the app interacts with your store data. Review the information carefully to make sure it looks appropriate for the app you intend to use. If anything seems unclear, it is better to pause here and read the permissions than to proceed quickly. When you are ready and you confirm the permissions match what you expect, click Install App on the permissions screen to confirm. This final confirmation tells Shopify to complete the installation process. After you confirm, Shopify may take a few moments to install Moli. You may see loading content or an installation status indicator, so give it a moment to finish. When the installation completes, you should be able to see Moli listed in your apps area. At this point, the app is added to your Shopify store, and you can move forward with any setup steps that the app itself may include. The exact setup experience can vary by app, but the key point is that the installation is complete once you reach that confirmed state in Shopify. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.